In today's lesson, we're learning English by talking about clothes and fashion. You'll hear Mia and Alex share their favorite outfits and talk about their personal style.
All in simple English you can use every day. Let's begin.
Hey, Alex, you look great today. I love your shirt. Is it new?
Thanks, Mia. Yeah, I bought it last weekend. I wanted something nice for work. It's simple but kind of smart, you know?
Yeah, it looks very neat. I like the color, too. You always dress so nicely.
Thanks. I try to look good, but I don't spend too much money. I just mix and match what I already have.
That's smart. I'm a little different. I like to keep things casual. I usually wear jeans, sneakers, and a hoodie. Comfort comes first for me.
I totally get that. When I'm not at work, I'm casual too. I wear t-shirts and sweatpants all the time at home.
Same here. But sometimes I feel like I should try to be a little more fashionable. I see people wearing all the latest trends, and I think, wow, they look cool.
Yeah, fashion trends change so fast. One year everyone wears skinny jeans, and the next year baggy pants are back. It's hard to keep up.
Exactly. I don't really follow trends. I just wear what I like. I want to feel comfortable and confident.
That's the best way. I think fashion is about expressing yourself, not copying others.
Totally agree. Actually, lately I've been buying some of my clothes secondhand.
Oh, really? Like from thrift stores?
Yeah, sometimes from local thrift shops, sometimes online. You can find really nice stuff, and it's cheaper. Plus, it's better for the environment.
That's awesome. I've done that a few times too. I found a really nice jacket once for half the price. It still looked brand new.
Nice. You know, I think being fashionable doesn't mean buying expensive things. It's more about how you wear them.
Exactly. Some people buy a lot of trendy clothes, but they only wear them once. I prefer to buy a few good pieces that last.
Same here. What's your favorite thing to wear?
Probably my sneakers. I love sneakers. They're comfortable, but still look stylish. I have a few pairs for different occasions. What about you?
I'd say my denim jacket. It goes with almost everything. Dresses, jeans, even sweatpants sometimes. It's my favorite piece.
Denim jackets never go out of style. They're classic.
Totally. Oh, and I really want to buy a warm hat for winter. Maybe a green one. It's my favorite color.
Good idea. I need a new winter coat myself. My old one looks a bit old-fashioned now.
Yeah, sometimes it's nice to update your look. But as long as you feel good, that's what matters.
You're right. Style isn't about age or money. It's about confidence.
Exactly. I think we both have our own style. You're more smart casual, and I'm more relaxed.
That's true. And that's what makes fashion interesting. Everyone's different.
Totally. Okay, next time we go shopping, let's help each other pick something new, but not too expensive.
Deal. Maybe we can find some secondhand treasures together.
Sounds perfect. Shopping and saving money. My favorite kind of fashion.
Mine too.
Words and phrases. Let's review some useful words and phrases from today's lesson. Smart. Neat, clean, and stylish in a simple way, usually for work or special events. Example, he looks smart in his blue shirt and black trousers.
Trend. Something that many people like or do at the same time. Example, wearing colorful sneakers is a big trend right now.
Fashionable. wearing clothes that are popular or stylish now. Example, Lisa is always fashionable. She knows the latest trends. Old-fashioned, not modern, from an earlier time. Example, my grandfather wears an old-fashioned hat every day.
Casual, relaxed, comfortable clothing, not formal. Example, I wear casual clothes like t-shirts and jeans on weekends.
Second-hand, something that was owned or used by someone before. Example, I bought this jacket from a second-hand shop. It looks new. Mix and match, to combine different clothes to make a nice outfit. Example, you can mix and match your shirts and pants to create new looks.
Thrift store, a store where you can buy cheap, second-hand clothes and items. Example, we found some great clothes at the thrift store yesterday. Denim, a strong, blue cotton fabric used for jeans and jackets. Example, my favorite denim jeans are very comfortable. Smart casual, a mix between casual and smart, nice but not too formal. Example, the restaurant asks customers to wear smart casual clothes.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.